Just 10 minutes worth of heavy rain and hail was enough to undo months worth of work for Clark Fork Organics, and it's going to cost them thousands of dollars in sales.
Yeah, it kind of messed us up. We harvest for restaurants on Tuesdays and Fridays, so we had all our orders ready to harvest this morning, and this storm just came in and destroyed a whole bunch of things we were going to harvest.
Not only does Clark Fork Organics sell produce to restaurants, but they run a country stand. A hailstorm ruined an entire field's worth of crops for these Missoula farmers, and their preventative measures of covering them before the storm rolled in were not enough for the hail that fell at such a high speed.
I mean, it just rips, not even just the impact on the salad mix, but it like rips through chard leaves and kale leaves and collard leaves. So we have to wait for them to grow more leaves until we can start harvesting again.
The workers at Clark Fork Organics estimate this storm will set them back at least 3 weeks for their scheduled harvests. While the workers believe they can recover from this damage, the storm took away something irreplaceable.
It's just hard to look at all the work we put into all this and have it destroyed in 10 minutes. Yeah.
No matter what, the Clark Fork farmers will work hard to keep delivering fresh produce to Missoula citizens and their businesses. In Missoula, Derek Joseph, MTN News.